Launch CapCut on your PC. Click Import to add your video clips, images, or audio files to the project. Drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline. Navigate to the Effects tab and click on Light Effects. Click on an effect to preview it. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip in the timeline. Adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the effect in the timeline. After applying an effect, click on the Effects segment in the timeline. Go to the Effect Settings panel, usually on the right side. Customize parameters like intensity, speed, blending mode, etc. Stack effects for unique styles. Right-click a clip, blend and mode for advanced looks. Save custom effect settings for future use. Click the play button to preview your effects. Unsatisfied, click Export, top right corner, to save your video.